Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and orienting the left and right cups. This prevents wiring mistakes. First, press the cup rim with your thumb to expose the plastic lip under the old cushion. Once you see the seam, use a small flat tool or your fingernail to peel the cushion edge away slowly. Do not yank. Make sure to collect any loose foam fragments and set the removed cushion aside. This gives you clear access to the frame and retaining lip for the new piece. You align the new ear cushion so its seam and any notches match the cup's ports. Accurate alignment ensures proper fit and sound. Next, tuck the cushion's inner plastic lip into the headphone frame starting at the top, then rotate clockwise with gentle, even pressure. This keeps the foam centered and prevents distortions. Once the lip is seated, run your fingers around the rim to press the lip fully into the channel. If you see an exposed seam, reseat that section immediately to maintain a tight seal. You finish by inspecting the entire circumference for even seating and no pinched foam. This avoids pressure points and sound leakage. Once satisfied, power on the headphones and play familiar audio at moderate volume to confirm comfort, seal, and balanced sound. Differences usually indicate an unseated lip. If something's off, power down, peel back the suspect segment, clean the channel with a cloth dampened in 70% isopropyl, and reseat. That troubleshooting step fixes most fit problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.